We're at IKEA having lunch in Jacksonville, Florida. Ernie got the chicken tenders, croissant roll, and french fries, and I couldn't decide, so I got the Swedish meatballs, the salmon balls, fries, and then 2 little desserts for us to share. I'm not sure what they are. And then I'm going to get coffee. So it all looks pretty good. All for only $15.46. Did you get Coke? That looks good. Okay, there's different kinds of coffees. Cappuccino or latte. Look at this, Ernie. Look at this. You just touch it on the screen. What were you looking for? This is IKEA in Jacksonville, Florida. This place is great. I've been here before, but I've never dined here before. Ernie's getting some hot sauce for his chicken. Alright, we're about to eat, so I'm going to shut it down. Talk to you later. Bye.